Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Troy to Elkhorn to near Sharon, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
We're going to get a lot of storms.
Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Iawx, Sullivan, Union Grove,
Tornado possible.
Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Windsor.
We got 70-mile-an-hour winds on this severe thunderstorm coming out, I think.
Rochester, Raymond,
on ours.
Midland, Yorkville, Genoa City, Silver Lake, and
listen
Richmond.
to this one.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms moving east. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yep.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
I said that.
A severe